Hey friends, Luck here, welcome back. So today we're gonna be looking at the new Redmi Note 11 Pro. So I just picked this up from Xiaomi and it is an absolutely amazing device from the things that I've heard about it. So today we're gonna do a quick unboxing and check what's inside the box, and we're also gonna do a quick startup of the device. I'm going to drop a review of this device in a few days. I'm also gonna drop a gaming video on this device, and I'm also gonna drop a definitely in-depth review, battery test, and everything about the Redmi Note 11 Pro. So looking around the box, it has a pretty minimal design, just with the logo from Xiaomi and the name at the sides, and also the information underneath it. So I'm just gonna open this up real quick and let's look at what's inside the box. So definitely I still love the paper wrap on my devices. So like I said, the box looks absolutely beautiful. So let's open this up real quick and look at what's inside the box. So inside the box, obviously we're gonna get the main things of the device. So first we get our papers, our documentation. So let's open this up real quick. So you have a SIM injector tool right here, and inside you have a case for your device. I absolutely love the fact that this comes with a case. That is absolutely amazing and something that I really love from the Xiaomi line and the Xiaomi brand. So the case is just a rubber case. So obviously if you want to protect your device, you will need to get a better case than this one. So inside the device we have our phone, which is the Redmi Note 11 Pro. So I got this in the black colorway and it looks absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna keep this to the side and continue to look at what's inside the box. So opening the next layer, we have our USB charger. So the USB charger is a Type-C charger, is a Type-A to a Type-C charger. So it looks absolutely amazing. So this is gonna be a super fast ultra turbo charging capable, so it's gonna charge your phone real quick. I'm also gonna do a charging test with the Redmi Note 11 Pro. So this is the charger that it comes with. So this is a 67-watt charger and it looks absolutely beautiful. So let's put this to the side and let's look at our device. So let's open this up. Wow, this looks absolutely beautiful. So like I said, I got this in the black colorway and it looks absolutely clean and absolutely beautiful. So this is a 108 megapixel camera. It has a 4-camera sequence and they are supposed to shoot amazing pictures. So I'm going to shoot some pictures and also record some videos with this device to let you guys know how the video quality is. And this is also 5G capable. So at the sides we have a flat design on the new Redmi Note 11 Pro, which is absolutely amazing. So underneath it we have the speaker and also the charging connector, which is a USB Type-C like I said earlier, and we also have the SIM card slot. On the sides we have a blank space, and at the top we have a headphone jack, which is something that has been outdated in most devices. We also have a JBL enabled speaker. So obviously I'm expecting the speakers to be amazing and I expect the device to be amazing overall. So let's put this up and see what we get on the device. So obviously this is powered by Android, as most Redmi and Xiaomi phones are, but they do have their own specific operating systems. So I'm expecting this phone to definitely be amazing and I'm expecting to be a gaming beast. So we're just going to do a quick setup and we're going to look at what the device has to offer. So the setup process is pretty easy. You choose your language. Once you choose your language, you can definitely just move forward. You add your Wi-Fi, you skip, and you accept the policies. So we're going to skip adding that. So you can also add a fingerprint sensor. So we're going to skip adding the fingerprint sensor for now, and we're going to add that later. We're also going to skip all the non-important things on the device. So we're going to use a full button gesture, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is our device, and like I said, it looks absolutely amazing and absolutely wonderful. It is definitely an amazing device, and I really love everything about the Redmi 11 Pro. So I am going to do a full comparison. This was just a quick unboxing of the new Redmi Note 11 Pro. So if you guys want to watch the full review on this device and also comparisons with other devices, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you guys so much for watching this little unboxing, and see you guys in the next one.